If you are struggling with a dog that barks excessively at other dogs, you are not alone. This is a common issue for many dog owners. Walking a dog that barks at other dogs can be stressful and even scary for some pet parents, so it is important to address this situation. By using effective methods and tips, you can stop your dog from barking at other dogs. Try to understand the cause of dog barking. Your dog might be barking because they are scared or anxious about other dogs. Some dogs bark out of excitement or a desire to play. Socialize your dog by gradually introducing them to new people, dogs, and environments. This helps them become more confident and reduces anxiety or aggressive behavior. Whenever your dog sees another dog and remains calm, immediately reward them with treats or praise. Teach commands like sit or stay and use them when you see another dog approaching. To help calm your dog before a walk, tire them out with a game. This will reduce their energy and make them less likely to bark. The easiest way to prevent your dog from barking at other dogs is to avoid areas with many dog walkers. As your dog becomes more confident, you can gradually start walking in areas with more dogs. One simple way to stop barking before it starts is to use distractions. Bring a favorite toy on walks and, when you see another dog, use the toy to engage your dog in a game. The bark deterrent device effectively reduces excessive barking by emitting a harmless sound, helping to create a quieter environment with minimal effort. The 2024 Dog Bark Deterrent device helps stop excessive barking by emitting a sound that distracts your dog. It is a simple and effective way to encourage quieter behavior. To use the Dog Bark Deterrent device, simply activate it when your dog barks to emit a harmless sound that captures their attention. By this deterrent, you can stop your dog from barking. The Dog Bark Collar Control Excessive Barking. Its comfortable design ensures your dog can wear it throughout the day without discomfort. The Dinju Dog Bark Collar offers a solution for dog owners who are dealing with excessive barking. It automatically stops dog barking very effectively. To use the Dinju Bark Collar, put it on your dog with a snug fit. Turn it on and adjust the settings to match your dog's barking level. By this bark collar, your dog stops barking. By using simple methods and right products, you will easily stop dog from barking at other dogs.